Gold, after achieving the record highs last week, started the day and the week on a slight, you can say, muted note as of now. Yes, it has achieved lower highs. It has already moved towards 2190. But on the downside, it is not willing to drop much. It is just staying within the zone. So, what to expect? Can we expect gold to retrace from here and deliver a red candle and form a symmetry? Or it is again going to stay bullish and achieve further highs? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well, and do like, share, subscribe and comment and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Let's start. First we'll look into hourly charts, and yes, do join the free telegram channel for live market updates. And one point to note that I do not run any investment plans, any fraudsters, scamsters imposing as me if are recommending for any investment plans with lucrative returns. Remember, I do not run any investment plan. I only have either the signals channel or the mentorship. Now let's start first to look into hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can find out, look at the movement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now still it is delivering higher lows. And yes, the support here at 2175 and 2170 is going to play a major role. So let me take it like this. See, it is trying to stay bearish but delivering higher lows. It is again trying to bounce back. I will wait for 2174 to be breached and then 2168.70. These two levels are going to play major role. 2168.70 is going to be a important play a major role in deciding the future course of action gold might try to take. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see, after squeezing here, you can see gold has given this breakout, so it is looking upwards. Thus this is the level, that is 2160 and 2150. This is the zone gold needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. As long as this zone is not breached, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Very clear. 2160, 2150 zone. Now let's have a further detailed look here. Also, you must note that it is taking support from 20 period moving average as of now. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with slight divergence, only two candles away. There's possibility of it to continue downside exists. RSI comfortable. It has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour. Now on the 2 hour chart, see a pullback candle, then a candle with bigger tail. But remember, it is just coming to the point where it is started and it is not willing to stay bearish. I will wait for the next candle. If it stays below 2175.74 and then 2168.70, then we can say that it is trying to trade bearish, because 20 period moving average would be breached by then, and then lower lows can be expected towards 2160 and lower. Right now it is not showing any intention to trade bearish as of now. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is trying to converge crossover. Now a bigger red candle and divergence will confirm the bearishness. RSI overbought and it is consistently running overbought. Remember this point. Coming to 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, consolidation going on as of now here. Yes, on the upside, 2190 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm bullishness. If you look at stochastic, this is running flat. The MACD is trading with slight divergence and bearishness. And you can see after this long run, it is just trying to retrace a little. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, range bound movement so far, neither confirming bullishness nor bearishness. In fact, on the upside, even if you see it is staying above 2185, we can initiate a buying entry. However, the complete zone between 2188 to 2191 or 92, you can count, is going to be a tough resistance for gold to break pass by. If gold stays above 2188-92 zone, then we can say it is turning bullish. Else I will still not confirm it as bullish as of now. Look at the movement here taking support from this trend line so far. Where is the bottom of the trend line? You can have a look at it. It is almost sitting at around 2168.70. So it is very important for gold to stay below 2168.70. Stochastic flat. Now look at MACD. On MACD, if you look at rise, consolidation, rise, and it is again consolidating. But does it have a room on the upside? I think It has got very minimal room on the upside. It has already achieved slightly elevated levels at plus 20. Thus, what is the scope left is to retrace a little. And it is trying to do so, but very minimal divergence, very minimal movement here. RSI is staying extremely elevated as well. Coming to now, before we look into details of daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. You can enroll now. In this batch, I share the key concepts and strategies which I have gathered over the years of my experience with you all, and also share the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. So do reach out to me for your queries related to the mentorship batch. And those who just want to be part of my signals channel, you can also ping me on Telegram or email for details related to the either signals channel or mentorship batch. The next is those who had asked me to recommend a trustworthy broker, safe, secure, which offers swap-free account with lowest spreads and is available across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. It's a regulated broker. Now, look at the daily charts. See, the week beginning, it has created a step here, and for the day, it has already created lower highs. Now, after creating lower highs, it is showing a pullback. Also, one must look at it is trying to stay outside this channel line. This is the trend line, long-term trend line, and thus below 2174.75 is where I will expect it to start retracing a little. Now see, straight greener candles here, it does not mean that it cannot deliver further bullish candles from here. It can deliver further bullish candles. However, not without a slighter retracement. Also, the 20 period moving average is sitting little far and are divergent and bullish. So yes, possible little retracement can be expected. However, let's wait for it to confirm a breakout. A stochastic overbought MACD is trading with extreme divergence here, and it should try to converge a bit, which means it can try to deliver a red candle from here. Rise, retracement, rise, extremely overbought at 40 levels. So a possible reversal cannot be denied. RSI is extreme overbought as well. Thus, looking at this, the buying entries today is at 2185 levels. 2184.85 is where you can initiate a buying entry. But remember, 2188.91.5 is the zone where it is going to get maximum resistance. Any move about 2191.5 should take a target of 2196, and beyond that 2204, 2220. Sky is the limit. I am not going to talk about this. Sky is the limit about 2204 levels. We can look forward to 2220 and plus levels. Chances for this appears to be less today. However, these are markets. You should be taking a position accordingly. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 2174.75 zone, below which you can expect it to move towards 2168.70 first target, 2164.62.5 the next, and if it stays below this, I will be looking forward to 2155.56, below which it should be turning bearish. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Watch the next update before the US session. That is also going to play a major role for your trading decisions today itself. Take your positions accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.